Hey guys, in today's video we'll make an 12 volts battery indicator. It's very simple. First of all, we need 4 1K resistors and IN4007 diode and 4 LED lights. I'm taking a 5 LEDs. You can use whichever you want and 2 wires. So let's make it. Guys, here I soldered all the components, so let me explain the connections first. Now this is the positive terminal of this LED and this is the negative, and this is the positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative of these. Hope you understood the connections of these four LEDs, and this is the IN4007 diode. This white line is the anode and this normal black is the cathode. Here I soldered this cathode to negative terminal of the LED and anode to a 1K resistors. As you know, resistors don't have any terminals, so I can solder directly. Here I soldered two wires. Now let's check the voltage of a 9 volts battery. So guys, our device is ready. Now let's check the voltage of two different 9 volt batteries. Here you can see three LEDs are glowing, in that two are bright and one is lightly glowing. So my estimation of these is 8.5 volts of this battery. So by seeing this non-glowing bulb you can guess the voltage. It's approximately 8.5 volts. Now let's check this using digital multimeter. So guys, you can see this voltage of this battery is approximately 8.5 volts. Now let's check the voltage of this another battery. So guys, in this two LEDs are glowing. In this is glowing perfectly and this is not glowing properly. My estimation is 5 or more than 5 volts, but less than 5.5 volts. Now let's check this using multimeter. So guys, this voltage of this battery is 5.8 volts.